G'day lovelies, welcome back. I hope you all had a good weekend. First up this week we are doing a beautiful crab or yabby sweet corn soup. I will write the recipe below in the description box as always. Now this is a perfect soup for camping, so spring onions usually won't last long. I bought these yesterday and they're on their deathbed today. So if you're at camping, there's always an odd brown onion rolling around the place. You want a small one, cut it in half, and then only use half a small one and cut it up really small, and you can use that instead of spring onions. This goes absolutely beautiful with a damper. I've just made up my heavy cheese bread damper and I've banged it in the oven. It takes 40 minutes, which is plenty of time to make the soup. Today I'm using canned crab. You want a minimum of 250 grams of crab or yabby. So for the canned crab, they're 170 gram cans, so I've grabbed 2 of them and I'll drain them really well. If you're using your fresh crab meat, I personally believe you can never put too much in. Cook up your crabs, shell them, get all your meat ready and cook it exactly the same time as I do the can. Yabbies, cook them up in your water, shell them, get all the meat ready to go and cook exactly like I'm going to now. First thing we need is a big pot, and we want to put 2 teaspoons of sesame oil in there. Now if you haven't bought sesame oil before, you will find it in your sauce aisle in the Asian section. Once we've put our 2 teaspoons in there, we now want to chop up, or slice up I should say thinly, 4 spring onions or half a small onion. Once we've done that, we'll stick it on the stove top till we're ready to use it. Now I'm going to drain my cans of crab meat. Oh mate, I haven't had crab in so long, and same with yabbies. I used to make this all the time years ago when yabbies were aplenty here in South Australia. Now into a small bowl or a mug, we want 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of water, and we want to mix it in really well. Now we need 2 310 gram cans of creamed corn. I've got 400 gram cans. It's really important to put the right amount in, otherwise it will overpower it. So I'm going to be using 1.5 of the 400 gram cans. We need a litre of chicken stock, and I'm using some light soy sauce, but if you've got salt reduced soy sauce, you can also use that. We now want to get our pot. We want to put it on a medium heat. We just want to flick it around until we've cooked our spring onions or our onion. Alrighty, a couple of minutes later and they're beautifully cooked and you can smell them and it's yummy. We now want to pour our litre of chicken stock in, our 620 grams of creamed corn, 1 tablespoon of light soy or salt reduced. Give our water corn flour mix another stir. Add that in. Mix it all up really well. Now we want to put it back onto the stove top and we want to bring it up to the boil, constantly stirring it. When it starts to boil, it'll just thicken a little bit. Oh, yum, mate. Between this and the damper, oh, baby. Alright, so you're constantly stirring. I just hope the steam doesn't stuff it up. So you're constantly stirring it. When it goes up to a boil, you basically stir it boiling for about 30 seconds. Now at this stage, if you're using nice big chunks of fresh crab or you're using full yabby tails, you want to leave it on the stove top and turn it down to a simmer. You want to add your fresh crab or your yabby tails and you want to simmer it stirring for a minute just to heat them through. Because I'm using the canned crab and it's basically shredded up to nothing, I can put it in like this without it being on the stove top and it will heat it through. Alright, so fresh stuff on a simmer, 1 minute with the meat in. Your canned meat, just put it in, stir it around, and you can just basically leave it sit there for a few minutes and she's ready to serve. If you put your fresh meat in, 1 minute simmering, take it off and she's ready to serve. Oh mate, does it get any better than this for a cupboard meal or what? Well, there you have it, lovelies. An absolutely stunning little soup. You have got to give it a crack. Your whole family is going to love it, whether indoors or outdoors. If you make up a damper with it, oh mate, it just takes it to the next level. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night, and I'll see you soon. Toodles.